Here's a smartphone and I will connect it to that router/modem through the RJ45 cable and a LAN adapter, local area network RJ45 to USB, plus a USB to USB-C adapter to be able to insert it there. So let's check the phone. So data is turned off and Wi-Fi is turned off. Okay, if I open, let's say, Google or Chrome, in a few moments it says no internet connection. Okay, let's say Facebook, no internet. Another website and no internet. Okay, let's just close it. Now I will connect one of the two ends of the RJ45 cable to the modem. Okay, the other end will be introduced here. So RJ45 here. USB 2.0, avoid driving fast card, whatever. The other end is USB. It's a 100 megabit local area network card. Okay, so plug in that there. Currently there are no LEDs flashing at this end. Here's an adapter from USB to USB Type-C. After I plug it in into the phone, these LEDs will turn on in a few moments. LEDs are on, visible here, and on the phone we have some things there. Ethernet cable connected and the two websites that I just tried to access. So only the sound is on, data is off, Wi-Fi is off, Bluetooth, everything is off. And now let's go to a web address, Facebook, whatever, it's working. Back, another website, it's working and it's fast also. YouTube, it's working. I agree, whatever, and it's fast. Okay, unplug this one from the phone and the LEDs should turn off also. LEDs are off and now it's running from the cache. Back. No internet connection. So if I go here to the three dots, history, and clear browsing data, clear data, back, close it, new tab, Facebook, no internet. Okay, plug it in again. Let's see, I'm not doing anything. That third icon appeared and Facebook also appeared. And it's working again. I cleared the cache, so it's asking me again. Let's just try a video. We have to wait for ads. It's working. Unplug it. Connect to the internet.